Are you stuck saying very all the time? Very cold, very tired, very strong. Sounds repetitive, right? Well, today we're going to level up your English with 18 powerful words that will make you sound like a native speaker. And to make sure you never forget them, let's go. Let's start with very weak. If someone is recovering from an illness, they aren't just weak, they are feeble. After being sick for weeks, he felt feeble to walk. His feeble attempt to lift the box was unsuccessful. Now the opposite. Instead of saying very strong, say sturdy. Sturdy is great for objects or people who are physically robust. The table is made of sturdy oak wood. She has a sturdy mindset that helps her overcome challenges. It's not just very cold, it's freezing. When it's freezing, it means the temperature is so low that you feel like turning into an ice cube. It was freezing outside, and my hands were numb. The water in the lake is freezing during winter. On the other hand, when it's very hot, it's actually scorching. Scorching means the heat is unbearable. The desert was scorching in the midday sun. Be careful, the pavement is scorching in summer. What about when you're very tired? You don't just say very tired, you say exhausted. Extremely tired, completely out of energy. After the marathon, he was completely exhausted. She felt exhausted after working late all week. Now let's talk about emotions. If someone is very angry, they are not just angry, they are furious. Is an extreme level of anger. She was furious when she found out about the lie. His boss was furious over the missed deadline. On the bright side, when you're very happy, you're actually ecstatic. Means you are beyond happy, you are overjoyed. She was ecstatic when she won the award. They were ecstatic about their newborn baby. But when you're very sad, you're actually miserable. Miserable is more than just sadness. It's a deep, painful feeling. He felt miserable after the breakup. The rainy weather made her feel miserable. What about size? Instead of very big, use enormous. Huge in size or amount. The elephant is an enormous animal. They live in an enormous house by the lake. Hey there, legend! If you're loving this content, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what you think. Oh, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe. And instead of very small, say tiny. The baby held a tiny kitten in her hands. There was only a tiny amount of sugar left. Instead of saying very smart, say intelligent. Is a stronger way to describe someone who has great thinking skills and knowledge. Albert Einstein was an intelligent scientist who changed the world. She is intelligent enough to solve complex math problems in seconds. If something is very expensive, a better word is costly. Means something is high in price or has a great expense. Buying a house in this city is extremely costly. His mistake was costly, making the company lose thousands of dollars. When something is very cheap, you can say it's inexpensive. Means something is low in cost but not necessarily bad in quality. This phone is inexpensive, but it works really well. They found an inexpensive restaurant that serves great food. Instead of saying very clean, say spotless. Means there isn't a single stain or speck of dirt. The hotel room was spotless when we arrived. She keeps her house spotless because she cleans every day. If a place is very dirty, it's better to say filthy. Filthy means extremely dirty, almost disgusting. After the storm, the streets were filthy with mud and garbage. His clothes were filthy after playing soccer in the rain. If something is very old, you can use ancient. Ancient refers to something extremely old, especially in history. The pyramids of Egypt are ancient wonders of the world. This book looks ancient. Its pages are yellow and fragile. When someone is very rich, we say they are wealthy. Wealthy means having a lot of money or valuable possessions. That businessman is extremely wealthy and owns several mansions. She came from a wealthy family and never had to worry about money. If something is very poor, you can say impoverished. Impoverished means suffering from extreme poverty. Many impoverished families struggle to afford basic necessities. The war left the country impoverished, with little food and resources. Hey there, legend! If you're loving this content, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what you think. Oh, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification